So we had this actual Fiat, which was with a great actual shifter, and the actual car in general was great. It is true, maybe they could get a little bit more autonomy from it, as I had 9 liters from almost every 100 kilometers. So we did almost 1,000, and it is true that it was a great actual Fiat. It has 7 seats, which that's pretty much amazing. And it is true that the air conditioning only works through the wrist range, but overall it's quite spacious, quite big, and that's why we got it. So I just wanted to do a review. Full consumption isn't great, that's true, but overall it was a great actual, let's say, I would say that if you wanna get a Fiat that fits in 7 people, has a decent actual luggage space, and you do not care with the consumption, as it was almost 8 liters, 9 liters every 100 kilometers, this is the great advantage for you.